In an assignment of a real estate contract, the person assigned the legal right is the what? In an assignment of a real estate contract, the person assigned the legal right is called what? In an assignment of a real estate contract, the person assigned the legal right is called the what? Okay, so anytime we talk about an assignment of a real estate contract, there's only two types of people that can do that. One's called the assignor, and the other one's the assignee, okay, on an assignment of a contract. If I'm an assignor, I'm going to assign the contract to you, the assignee, okay? So in any type of contract, it could be a mortgage contract from lender to lender. It could be a rental contract. Okay, whatever contract is being assigned, the assignor is always going to assign the contract to the assignee. So the person, the assigned person that's going to have those legal rights is called the assignee, okay, the one receiving it. Now, let's talk about the assignment of a contract real quick. When it comes to it, remember, going from one person to another, the assignor is who's transferring the let's say for an investor, is transferring to the assignee. And the one that's receiving again is going to be the assignee receiving from the assignor. Now, the liability is always going to fall on both of them, okay? Remember, there is no novation involved in this. This is an assignment. So the assignee is ultimately responsible, but the assignor can be if the assignee is in default. So let's take an example. Let's look at lease assignment. So let's say I've got a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm leasing from a property owner under a 1-year lease agreement. Okay, 1-year lease agreement. And I get 6 months into my lease agreement and I lose my job. Okay, so I'm in quite a little bit of a pinch. Or let's say I get a pay cut and I'm struggling. Or I'm a salesperson and I'm not establishing the commission I need in the products I'm selling, right? And so it's becoming a burden on me. And I'm seeing no light at the end of this tunnel for my income. And I don't want to get in trouble with the landlord. You come along and say, you know what? I just got transferred to the hospital. I'm a practicing registered nurse. I need a place to rent to see how long I'm going to stay here and like this area. And I say, well, you know what? I've got a place that I'm having a hard time maintaining. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, nice property, good backyard. You come look at it and you say, you know what? This is what I need right here. What's your rent? It's $1,500 a month. Well, that's really affordable. I like it. So we come to an agreement, right? 6 months into my lease, we come to an agreement. The landlord has approved it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign my lease that's in place. So there's only 6 months left on it. So when you, the assignee, the registered nurse, right, the assignee take over, I'm now alleviated. I'm moving out. You move in. You're going to pay the remaining balance of the 6 months. That's your obligation. Okay. Now, for some reason, if you forfeit the monthly rent and you can't pay it, yes, you'll be assigned as the assignee. You'll be responsible, but I will also be responsible for the actual debt as well for the monthly rent. Okay. Now, after the 6 months is up, the year lease is done, then a new lease will be made out with the current registered nurse. And now I'm totally eliminated from any responsibility. Okay. So assignment of a lease, assignor, assignee. All right. Both are responsible. All right. Let's go ahead and move on. We talked about assignment. Remember, novation is when you substitute a new contract in place of a note. That would relieve the assignor from liability.